Good evening. Anything that we discuss today would be for educational purposes only. I would like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time and provide actionable insights for educational purposes using various live streaming technologies. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you can learn how I analyze data in real time to make smarter risk reward trades. Our agenda for today would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames. We would also be uh, analyzing what is likely to happen tomorrow, that is 23rd September, and we would be analyzing options open interest, and we'll be taking a look at various straddle charts, and we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow, and in the end we would be discussing how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. So let's begin. So today, you can see the market is clearly under the control of sellers and trending down, because from price action perspective we have lower high and lower lows. So there is no disputing this fact that market is trending down. Now, coming to multiple time frames, 11,464 is the monthly opening. So below 11,464, market would be under control of sellers, and 11,503 is the weekly open. So below 11,503, market would be under control of sellers. So overall, the levels which come to us are 11,464 level, which is the main level, because below 11,464 weekly and monthly, they would both be aligned. So today we had a situation where we opened at 11,301, which is below 11,464, and we traded down. So today you can see that market had time frame continuity to the downside, because all the time frames, daily, weekly and monthly, were under control of sellers, and they were aggressively hitting the bids today. And our view for tomorrow would be that above 11,153 we can potentially trade towards 11,262 levels, and potentially 11,300 and 11,360 levels to the upside. And below 11,084 levels we can potentially trade towards 11,044, 11,026 and 10,952 levels. So 11,153 to 11,084 levels are neutral levels. So conservative traders, they can avoid making any trades in between 11,153 to 11,084 levels. And aggressive traders, they can buy above 11,153 for a move towards 11,262, and which also coincides with max options, max pain, and max pain has shifted from 11,400 to 11,250. So aggressive buyers above 11,153 can potentially, uh, based on price action, go long the market for targets towards 11,262 levels, and below 11,084 levels, aggressive traders, they can sell the market for potentially 10,952 levels. Option analysis for Nifty for 24th September monthly expiry is, like I've already mentioned, that max pain has shifted from 11,400 to 11,250 levels. And overall, you can see over here around 4.76 crore calls have been written, and approximately 3.52 crore puts have been written overall. And if we see the open interest, 11,000 is likely to act as support, and on the upside 11,500 is likely to act as a resistance. So broadly speaking, we are currently in 11,000 to 11,500 trading range. And if we see the overall open interest change for today, here we can see that today almost 22 uh, 22 lakh calls were written, as compared to approximately 18 lakh puts. And if we see over here today, 11,300 puts saw open interest decrease. When open interest decrease and prices below 11,300, we can assume that option writers from 11,300 strike, they have booked 300 put strike, they have booked their losses, and those who were long 11,300 puts, they have booked their profits, which has resulted in overall open interest decreasing on 11,300, 11,400, as well as 11,500 puts. And we can see over here, overall you can see 11,200 is the level where approximately 20 lakh calls have been written, followed by 11,300 strikes. So 11,200 to 11,300 are likely to act as resistance in the near term, followed by 11,100 and 11,000 as support overall. If we see the straddle charts today, this is the 11,100 strike. So we basically opened below previous day low, and then we trended down in 11,100 straddle. What this means is that market was attempting to go towards 11,100 strike today. Now here is 11,200 strike of straddle. Again, it was trading below its previous day low and it was trending down, which means that market was going towards 11,200 strike today. Like you can see today, market made an attempt to go lower, and then it also traded towards 11,200 level before finally closing at around 11,150. So market was giving us a hint today that market, it is not going to be trending down below 11,100, because if it would have given an indication that it was going to be trending below 11,100, then this 11,100 straddle, it would have fallen more, relatively speaking, and 11,200 was also trending down, which means that market was confused at which strike it should reach, that why it closed in the middle, 11,150. And if we see 11,300 strike, we are basically trading in previous day range for 11,300 straddle strike. And if we see, we when the market today made an attempt to trade above 11,250, so at that point of time this straddle started trending down as market was moving towards 11,300 strike. But in the end, market traded down to 11,150, so this straddle also acted overall sideways. And if we see 11,400 straddle, it was above previous day high, and what this means is that the more it remains above previous day highs, it would give us confirmation that whatever happens, market would be away from the 11,400 strike. And we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stock watch list which I have selected are Torrent Power and ICICI Bank. First, let's analyze Torrent Power. On monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers below 332.9. On weekly time frame, it is also under control of sellers below 327. On daily, it's an inside candlestick. So below 317.9 level, we would have time frame continuity to the downside, and in that scenario, we can potentially trade towards 312 to 308 levels on Torrent Power. But since it's an inside candlestick above 330, we can potentially trade towards 338 to 343 levels on Torrent Power. If we analyze ICICI Bank on monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers below 394, and on weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers below 366, and on daily time frame, we had an inside candlestick. So below 349.5, we can potentially trade towards 340 levels and potentially 335 levels on in ICICI Bank. And on the upside, as it's an inside candlestick above 356.2, we can potentially trade towards 368 and potentially 372 levels on the upside. And finally, I would be telling you how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. All you have to do is go to www.digitaltradingflow.org and click on pricing. It would take you to two options. One, it would tell you what is digital trading flow, and second would be the 12-month free subscription Samco. You just have to click on this link, which will take you to my franchisee referral link for Samco. As I'm authorized business partner of Samco, you just have to register now over here, enter your name, email and mobile number, and after you open your trading and demat account, you would be able to access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. Digital trading flow basically produces broadcast live trading from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. So from 9:15 to 10 a.m. The we have a public stream on YouTube which everyone can access, and after 10 a.m. only subscribers who have an open account linked through my franchisee get the private live stream content of almost 5 plus hours from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.